Google catching up in global presence.
Providers lean into healthcare cloud.
Google woos Hollywood with targeted solutions.
GitLab moves to Google for Kubernetes.
These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup, Friday, June 29th.
Welcome to another edition of the Cloud Roundup on lifternews.com. I'm Corey Bowling.
And I'm Shaylee Webb. Let's take a look at some interesting changes in the cloud this week and how they impacted the Lifter Index. With the launch of a brand new Finland region, Google Cloud is slated to catch up to AWS in the global presence category very soon. Bringing their total to 16 regions, Google Cloud trails AWS by only one region. Next month, the much anticipated Los Angeles region will officially go online, and for the moment, AWS has no impending regional launches to push itself ahead.
The new region has been met with some mixed reviews from the people it was designed to serve. A blog about prolonged connection times was picked up by several popular Finnish news sites and caused a dip in sentiment score over the weekend. Some speculate that the latency issues are caused by a lack of cooperation between Google Cloud and the primary internet exchange point in Finland, FICIX. Both Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure have made overtures towards the healthcare industry this week, indicating that both companies are looking towards the industry for future growth. AWS announced a joint venture with VMware Cloud to bring health industry customers HIPAA-compliant hybrid solutions. As the companies are longtime cloud partners, the new integration will allow joint customers to utilize existing VMware software and tools to move workloads to AWS. This avoids the need for rewriting applications, more training, or new hardware when handling hybrid environments.
Meanwhile, Azure is flying solo as they try to get their foot in the door with doctors and hospitals. Microsoft announced this week that all healthcare-focused efforts would be consolidated into the new Microsoft Healthcare team, dedicated to helping create cloud-based medical records and get doctors working in the cloud. The project is a natural extension of the Healthcare Next initiative, which more loosely assembled groups of researchers, AI experts, and cloud teams to focus on cloud healthcare migrations. With the expansion of the program, it is likely that Microsoft sees a future in cloud support for the health services sector. With petabytes of video, sound, and production files to handle, movie and TV production can be a data-heavy business. Google Cloud had their sights set on the big screen as they rolled out a new storage instance this week. Google's new service, Cloud File Store, enables customers to stand up network-attached storage setup with Google Compute Engine and Kubernetes Engine instances.
Combined with the LA region to open next month and the new transfer appliance availability, it has been suggested that Google is targeting film studios as the next vertical. Google is the first of the major cloud providers to make a dedicated push towards supporting Hollywood's entertainment industry as it begins to move into the cloud. Movie production studios not only have significant storage needs for hundreds of thousands of hours of raw footage, but the need for CGI and effects rendering mean that on-demand compute could also present an opportunity in the cloud. Popular open-source Git-management system GitLab is moving from Microsoft Azure to Google Cloud. Why? Kubernetes, the Google-created container solution, is best supported on Google Cloud, and GitLab is confident that the future is in containers. The company says that the move will be a step in the right direction to building cloud native as it, quote, makes reliability at a massive scale possible.
The announcement comes on the tail of rival GitHub's acquisition by Microsoft earlier this month. Around 100,000 GitHub users migrated to GitLab following the purchase, fearing Microsoft's intentions surrounding the open-source platform. There is some speculation about motivations behind the move in relation to Azure controversy, but the switch was already in the works before Microsoft outbid other interested parties, including Google themselves.
That's a wrap for this week's Roundup on lifternews.com. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@lifternews.com.
Happy birthday to you,
Guys!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.